Oh, I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs. We channel water to our homes and buildings generally through pipes, apart from rainwater that comes in naturally. And also we remove wastewater, foul water, surface water out of our homes through pipes or other methods. In some areas, they fetch water into cans and buckets and different containers to reserve water. Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us on another episode of Property Doctor, the show that brings to property owners and property users the easiest remedies to beautify your homes, to maintain your homes, and to help you save money and make more money. You can connect with us on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube at Property Dr. NG. You can also call us on 0903 123 9999. Our source of water varies, but to get water in and out of our buildings require the use of pipes. It could be pipes from the reservoir, from the boreholes, from wells, and from main water supply, like the main water board. Sometimes you observe that the water board cut off water supply so as to wash or clean our pipes or water from the reservoir to get to our place through clean pipes. So today we want to talk about cleaning of pipes. This will help you know what happens whenever the pipes are to be cleaned and whenever there's a cut-off of water supply from the water board. Our first guest on this series, because we'll be bringing different guests on this particular series to educate us on how to clean our pipes and our tanks and our water reservoir. But the first guest on today's series is engineering craft Saliu Oshundele. He's an experienced plumber, and he has helped some of our viewers with their plumbing problems, and he has also taught a lot of people plumbing profession. He has taught them how to manage pipes, how to fix the WC, the wash and basin. So he's also the president of the Professional Plumber Association here in Abuja. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Now, what kind of pipes do we need to supply water to our homes? What kind of pipes, the make and the sizes?
We can supply the water to our house with different type of water pipes. We can supply water to our house through galvanized
pipes.
Yes, PVC pipes, UPVC pipes, and PPR pipes.
Okay, and we can get these pipes here in Nigeria for those who are constructing.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of pipes can also discharge water out of the house?
We can also discharge water through PVC pipes, UPVC pipes, and also galvanized for industrial use.
Okay, these pipes, are they of different sizes?
Yes, we have different sizes of pipes.
Okay.
From, let's say, 20 cm.
All right.
20 mm, 25 mm. Pipes, 32 mm.
What's mm? You mean millimeter?
Millimeter.
Okay.
Okay, half-inch pipe.
Half-inch pipe.
3/4 pipes.
Okay.
1-inch pipes.
All right.
1.25 pipes.
That's a quarter.
1.5 pipes.
Okay.
2
1
inches
inch
pipe.
and half.
Yes.
Okay, 1.5 inch pipe.
1.5 inches pipe.
Okay.
2 inches pipes. 2.5 inches pipe. 3 inches pipe. 4 inches pipe. Depends on the building, either domestic building or industrial. Commercial building.
Okay. So, you know, sometimes when we fetch water in our buckets and we leave the water for some time, you find out that the water, you find out that you have some sediment in the bucket of water that you have fetched or in the cans of water that you have fetched down. So we know that some of these pipes will, after some time, need to be cleaned. But what causes these pipes to get those sediments or get dirty?
Many things can cause it. Through the connection that lead water to your house. Let's say, for example, if the water connected to your house through the government water, which everybody knows as a water board.
Yes, the water board.
The water can get particles at times. If the pipe break on the way,
okay,
and the sand entering the pipes, it will push the sand or the particles to your home.
Okay, to push it inside the pipe.
Inside the pipes.
Then it can now get to the homes.
Yes.
Oh.
Another thing, if the pipe supply to your building through the borehole, you know the borehole, it have a perforated pipe below. The last pipe,
okay,
that bringing the water up in the borehole, they used to perforate it.
Oh, okay. Why do they do that?
Because it will allow free flow of more water to the pipes.
Okay.
So through that perforated water pipe, the sand will also follow it.
Okay.
But the best idea to get clean water in your house is good to use water filter.
To use
before water gets into
your building.
Into your building. Either your tank or your appliances in the building.
Okay, we should fix a water filter.
Yes. If you can discover most of the toilets, if they supply the water by gravity, because the water come slowly to some toilets.
Yes.
It used to block the valve.
Oh,
the control valve that's controlling the water in the system.
Yes.
You know, it's an automatic valve.
Oh, okay.
You have a very tiny way out of water. If you don't have pressure booster in your house, like a machine or water board that have good pressure to your house, this system, this ball valve used to block.
Okay.
Some of the ball valves immediately block. It's not repairable.
Okay, there's something I observed in some areas. You find out that they lay water pipes supplying water to the buildings inside the gutter. You were saying something that if the pipe is broken, sand can enter.
Yes.
So that means it's very dangerous for people who lay pipes inside their gutters.
No, the pipe can break anywhere. It may not be in the gutter.
I've seen where pipes were laid inside the gutters, and I feel it's not safe for you to lay pipes on the open gutter surface. On the surface,
it's not good.
Okay.
It's not good. But at times, some pipe has been laid before the gutter.
Okay.
Before they made the gutter.
Now, these ones I'm talking about are those ones that you see them, they just line them to follow the gutter.
Even though the pipe may even have a little different to the gutter, if the water break, the pipe break, you know, it's coming with the pressure.
Yeah.
It will scatter all over the area.
So
to allow the water to go find its way.
Oh, okay.
Through that, you can even the bad water that going through the gutter can penetrate.
Yeah.
To the
so it's very important
pipe.
We fix water filter in the main of main supply of water
and
into our buildings.
Have a mini treatment plant.
Okay, it's good to have a mini treatment plant.
Yes, in the building.
In the building.
Yes.
Now let's go on a short break, and when we return, we'll continue our discussion on how to clean our water pipes after the break. But right now, Property Doctor has some products that will be useful to you staying healthy in your homes. We have the PD bleach, the PD soap, the PD air freshener, and the PD glass care, tile care. So many products. You can get in touch with us so that you can get ideas on how to get these products. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're just joining us for the first time, we're discussing how to clean our water pipes. So you said different things can clog the pipes, yes, bringing in water into our buildings. How can we prevent these pipes from being clogged? You talked about water filter, filtering the water.
Yes.
You talked about water treatment plant.
Yes.
What if we don't have any of these things?
Another option is to boil your water before you drink it. When you boil your water, you get a certain centigrade. That boiling point is the best.
To get to the boiling point.
Yes. When you have your water boiling, you allow it to cool down.
Okay.
The important thing of cooling down before you drink it is that when you see it, you watch that where the bucket or the kettle you use to put your water, you will see some sediment down
there. Okay, now you know we're talking about cleaning the pipes. How do we clean the pipes? How do we clean these pipes?
The supply pipe to the building,
the supply pipe
or the waste?
The supply pipes to the building.
You got the best idea to clean your pipe to the building. If the pipe supply to your building by gravity. What I mean by gravity is that the elevated tank, the water come with a certain little percentage of bar pressure to the building.
So you need a pump.
You need a pump because when the water is coming through your house slowly, that is not force. This one allow sediment to even retain in your pipe.
Okay, so
your water pipe.
Can we use chemicals to clean the pipes, or can we use brushes or something to clean the pipes regularly?
You cannot use the chemical to clean your pipe because you are not a professional in the chemicals. Okay. Because all those chemicals that you can use to clean or to clean your pipes, it needs professional to give you the measurement.
Okay, so you need a professional
that it will not become poison again.
Again to the system.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You cannot just go to the market and buy chemical because you want to clean your water.
No, we're talking about the pipe. We're not talking about cleaning the water.
To clean the water.
No.
It's not good for a non-professional person to go to the market and buy the chemical to clean his pipe. Okay,
so it's better we use the water filter
yes,
or have a mini treatment
plant,
water treatment plant in the house.
Will be installed by experts.
Okay, a professional should also fix the water treatment plant. Okay, what are some of those things that you think we need to do to prevent our pipes from getting clogged? Now I'm talking about the waste disposal, the one taking wastewater out of the building.
The common thing that used to block the pipe, the waste pipe, is the water going out, the used water going
in the building, out. Yes.
Firstly, we must have an expert, the professional plumber, to do a very good plumbing work for you.
That is when the house is being constructed?
Yes. Okay. If you don't have a good slope in your building.
So we need a good slope.
Yes.
To make the
if the waste pipe is not flowing well, it always cause blockage. What I mean by blockage is that when something, the remnants of the food we consume in our house, every plate we use, we gather it to the kitchen sink. All the remnants of the food, if we go through the waste to the sink, so it will now go and block the thing. Another thing is oil. And the granite oil,
and
it will, all these things will just stay as a gum to gum all these remnants.
The pipes.
It will settle in the pipe when the pipe is not have a good slope.
Okay, so in the kitchen, quickly, sir, in the kitchen, how do you think we can manage the clogging of the pipes inside the kitchen?
It depends on
the
way they do the plumbing work of your kitchen for you, because I can see that many plumbers use adjustable trap. What many people say, call it magic waste. In
adjustable trap is different from the bottle trap.
It's different. The bottle trap is the best idea to use in the kitchen.
Bottle trap.
Yes, bottle trap. You have something under
and you can
that you can even do it yourself.
Okay.
Before your plumber. When you discover that your waste pipe is not going out fast as before, you know there is something blocked under the sink. You can open it and clean it.
Okay. So
yourself.
One last advice to our viewers at home concerning the cleaning of our pipes.
I can only advise our viewer in the home that before they can give their plumbing work, they must make sure they give their plumbing work to professional. Okay. The person that knows how to do a good standard plumbing work. That is what the government is doing now. To filter the quack between the professional.
From the professional.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir, for being with us in the studio. Thank you, viewers, for being with us on today's episode of Property Doctor. We believe you have learned something on how to clean your pipes and how to make sure that you have clean water in your homes. You can use the filter, you can use a mini treatment plant, and so many other points that he has given to us. We hope to see you same time next week for another interesting episode of Property Doctor. For now, enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. Bye.
I'm coming. If you hand over to government to maintain, the budget the money and share it.
To live in that particular place that the house is. So it's supposed government will compensate them so that and pay them and relocate them to where they are going and build another house for them.
Careful engineering and management to meet human needs.